Now I'm creating a different type of scenario. Let's delete these all. Now I'm a router. I'm having a router. Here I am using a switch and using some host or PC, you can say. Now I need to connect these PCs, so I'm using a cable that is automatic choosing. In Cisco Packet Tracer, there is an option that is automatically. Now the Cisco Packet Tracer automatically choose which type of cable is required here. You can see PC and switch are different type of devices, so the packet tracer using straight cables. It is not connected because, let's check, because this router did not have fast Ethernet port. It have gigabyte Ethernet port. So I am using different type of router, that is this. This router 2811 have fast Ethernet ports and 2901 have gigabyte Ethernet ports. So here I'm connecting 2811 to this switch. Just checking. I'm deleting the fourth PC because this switch fourth jack is not working. So now I can connect this switch by the router. I'm deleting this router. Now just open your. I'm using here this network 10.0.0.0/8. This PC have IP 10.0.0.1/8. This PC have IP 10.0.0.2/8. This PC 10.0.0.3/8, and this router's port have 10.0.0.0.4/8. So now configure these IP addresses. Just open your PC, go to desktop, then IP mode, then give the IP address 10.0.0.1. Just type subnet mask, that is 255.0.0.0. Go to desktop mode, give the IP address, that is 10.0.0.2. Then the subnet mask, go to desktop, IP address is 10.0.0.3. Then the subnet mask. Now open your router, go to CLI mode. This is the processing of loading the image and decompressing the image. Just press no, enter, go to enable mode, go to configuration mode. Now go to interface mode. Interface FA 0/0, because router this port is FA 0/0. Just press enter. IP address is 10.0.0.4, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255, sorry, 255.0.0.0. Press enter. You need to give this command no shut because all ports of router is by default shutting. Now the state is up. You can check the light is blinking now. So here you can check the pinging. Just open your command prompt, just type ping, and the address is 10.0.0.4. Just press enter. The first packet is dropped. The first packet is dropped because of ARP. ARP is running, or ARP is accessing the first packet for finding the MAC address. What is ARP and how it is working, we are discussing about it in near future or in other videos. And now I am getting the reply from the router. So here I can access or I can connect to the router. In this case, if we connect another LAN, if we connect another LAN here, for example, this LAN have only one PC. Just this switch is connected to this router also. We do not use this router. This is the another LAN and this is another LAN. So communicating between two LANs, we need a router in between, and we perform routing to this router. So we can say, if we want to communicate or if we want to make communication between two different LANs or two different subnet, so we need a router and routing on that particular router. What type of routing and how we can apply routing on the router, we can discuss about that in next video. Here we are discussing what is the importance of routing and router. So router and routing is most needed thing for communicating between two LANs. In the routing, router manage a table. In that table, router create an entry which port is connected to which network. For example, this PC wants to connect to this PC that is not belongs to this particular network or its own network. Then this PC sends the data to this switch. Switch broadcasts that packet and router receives that packet. And router drop that packet because this destination is not belong to its own local network. So here we use a thing that is gateway, default gateway. Default gateway is an address like this. For example, 10.0.0.1. I am using this default gateway. Default gateway means if the destination address is not found in our local network, then the packet goes to this default gateway. In our case, this PC want to send some data to this PC. This PC look for the IP of this PC in our local network. If it is not able to find that particular IP in its local network, then this PC sends the data to its default gateway. The default gateway is a router in this case, and the most of the time router is using as a gateway. As we already discussed, what is gateway and what is the performance or what is the working of the gateway. Now this PC sends the data, all data to the default gateway. Now the default gateway sends data to this PC and receives data to this PC, and then after receiving the data, this gateway sends the data to this PC. This is how the communication between two different LANs performs. What is the type of routing and how routing take place, how the routing work internally, we are discussing about that in next video.